Shukuru-ini wa Milimani Comprehensive muikarigite wa KUPPET oboko milemba na mwandiki munene wa Kelo Misori manyitanĩire gucakaya ikuu cia arutani erĩ MAKUIRE thutha wa kuhotwo nĩ nguraro cia mutino uria wa makorire marĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya ithurano cia arũgamĩrĩri a KUPPET Nairobi. Nĩ gĩikaro kĩrĩa kĩhithũririe moritũ marĩa arutani aya magerire makĩgeria kwamũkĩra ũrigitani wa mbere thutha wa mutino ũkĩrĩkana nĩ kwario na thibitarĩ cia mang'athĩirie kumana na mĩhĩnga ya marĩhi ma SHA.
Teacher Faith had 4 children, and Teacher Jacob was planning to do a wedding end of this year. So these are young teachers who are vibrant, and let's continue praying for even their families, so that God can give the families and even the learners, the teachers, peace that surpasses all human understanding.
Let all the teachers be treated regardless of whether they are BOM teachers, whether they are PNP, or whatever cadre. Because in such a disaster, we require full support. We are also asking the Teacher Service Commission, together with the Minister of Education, to quickly accredit all the hospitals that have not been accredited to SHA. Because we noticed Avenue was complaining, Gunanak was complaining, Aga Khan was originally complaining. So let's accredit all these hospitals the way we agreed.
Kurigana na muikarigite wa kĩbũrũri wa KUPPET oboko milemba, thirikari ibatie ithaganie kamĩtĩ ya mwanya ya gũtigĩrĩra arutani aya nĩ matangĩkĩrwo arĩ hamwe na kũrĩha ngarama yothe ya thibitarĩ.
We want to ask the government to bring a multi-agency team to support the whole situation. We have hospitals that refuse to take some of the teachers, very regrettable. We have a hospital that delayed the surgery of one of the teachers because of money. That was very regrettable. And I'm therefore asking the Minister for Health to work closely with the Minister of Education and Teacher Service Commission to make sure that during this time of disaster for our teachers, all hospitals are put on alert to treat these teachers.
Mwena-inĩ wake mwandĩki mũnene wa KUPPET Kelo Misori ugĩte gũtibatiĩ gũkorwo na mũthutũkanio wa arutani ikĩro o ciothe ũheani-inĩ wa motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, makĩũria kamĩtĩ ya wandĩkani TSC ithaganie njĩra cia kũneanaga maũndũ ma bata ma arutani kũrĩ ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
We don't need to belabor on what responsibility SHA should take, because all of us teachers are having managed scheme by SHA, and therefore we would wish that by extension even those teachers who have not been registered should have their details taken from the teacher service details in their files, so that they become beneficiaries of SHA irrespective of their registration or not.
Andũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.